Hi, I'm Charles Tran, and welcome to Live Mobile Technology. Before we start, please be advised of the disclaimer, and check the description below for full details. On my previous videos for the Brivo ACS6000 and ACS6100 series, I've already uploaded Part 1 and Part 2, where I covered the overview, features, and installation guide. You can watch them anytime by visiting my channel and checking out the playlist. Now in this video, I'll give you a hands-on walkthrough and a deep dive into mounting, installing, connecting, including board setup and power connections of the Brivo ACS6000 and ACS6100. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare the Brivo ACS chassis. Open the chassis and check that you have all the components. The chassis that is being built on, the ACS6000 main board, the ACS6100 daughter board, ACS6000 power supply, and mounting screws. Step 2. Mount the chassis on the wall. Choose a sturdy wall surface near a power source and network connection, plywood or sturdy mounting location. Use the chassis as a template to mark your drill holes. Drill the holes, insert wall anchors if needed, and secure the chassis with screws. Step 3. Install the main and daughter boards in the chassis. Inside the chassis, locate the mounting standoffs. Carefully place the ACS6000 main board on the standoffs and screw it in place. Do the same for the ACS6100 daughter board, making sure it's positioned according to the chassis layout. For the main board, look for the neon green circles. You'll install it using 5 nylon standoffs and 1 metal screw. For the daughter board, look for the neon orange circles. You'll install each daughter board using 4 nylon standoffs, with no metal screws required. Step 4. Connect the power supply. Mount the power supply inside the chassis if it's not already installed. The ACS6100 power supply board acts as the power distribution point for the control panel. Its mounting standoffs are located on the upper left side, the door side of the chassis. You must install the power supply circuit board first. The power supply mounts to the 4 built-in standoffs in the chassis using the supplied screws. This diagram illustrates how the power supply is connected to the main board, with each part clearly labeled for reference. On the top left of the chassis, notice that the power cable, which consists of blue, white, black, and red wires, connects from the green Phoenix connector on the left to the white Molex connector on the right. Any additional power cables should be attached to the expansion boards. And this is how it looks when the power cable is mounted from the main board to the power supply board. After setting up the panel, it's time to power up and test. When you do, make sure to check the following. First, check the power board status. All 4 lights should be on. Next, check the local and main HRBT lights. The local light should pulse twice per second. The main light should pulse once per second. All of these indicators are green LED lights. Your ACS6000 and ACS6100 are now mounted, wired, and ready for configuration. Coming up next in Part 4, we'll cover hands-on and deep dive into CAN bus wiring guide, proper start and end connections, so you can ensure reliable communication across your boards. I'll also be uploading a detailed video with step-by-step instructions on setting up and configuring the DIP switches, so stay tuned. I've uploaded a full series of Brivo videos, so be sure to check out my channel and explore the playlist for more in-depth guides. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.